How does your body feel when you wake up in the morning? For many people, the answer is stiff, heavy, and slow. We open our eyes, we feel tired, and we drag ourselves out of bed. But there is a simple, free, and easy habit that can change your whole morning. It takes only a few minutes, and it fills your body with fresh energy. It is stretching. Today, I want to share with you the wonderful power of a morning stretch. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us wake up our bodies and learn together about the magic of stretching. First, let us understand why we feel stiff in the morning. When you sleep, your body stays still for many hours. Your muscles do not move. So when you wake up, your body feels tight and a little stiff. This is normal. Stretching is the natural answer. When you stretch, you gently wake up your muscles. You tell your body, it is morning, time to move and live. A good morning stretch is like opening the windows of your body to let in fresh air. Let us talk about what stretching does for your body. Stretching is very good for you. It makes your muscles soft and ready to move. It helps the blood flow through your body. Fresh blood brings energy to every part of you. Stretching also helps your back, your neck, and your legs feel better. It can take away small aches and pains, and it helps you stand straight and move with ease. All of this from just a few minutes of gentle stretching. Now let us talk about the mind. Stretching is not only good for the body, it is also good for the mind. When you stretch slowly and breathe deeply, your mind wakes up and becomes calm at the same time. The sleepy fog clears away. You feel more awake and more ready for the day. A morning stretch is a gentle way to start your day with both energy and calm. Your body and your mind wake up together in a soft and happy way. Here is the best part. Stretching is free and easy. You do not need a gym. You do not need special clothes or tools. You do not need to be young or strong. Anyone can stretch, at any age. You only need your own body and a few minutes of time. You could stretch in your bedroom right after you wake up. There is no excuse. It is one of the simplest healthy habits in the whole world. Let me teach you a few simple stretches anyone can do. First, the reach-up stretch. Stand tall, lift both arms high above your head, and reach for the sky. Feel your whole body grow long. Hold for a few seconds and breathe. Second, the gentle neck stretch. Slowly turn your head to look over one shoulder, then the other. This wakes up your neck. Third, A soft side stretch. Reach one arm over your head and lean gently to the side, then the other side. These easy stretches wake up your whole body. Here is another gentle stretch. The forward fold. Stand up and slowly bend forward, letting your arms hang down toward your feet. Do not push hard. Just let your body relax and hang softly. This stretches your back and legs. Breathe slowly. Then come up slowly. Remember, never push or pull hard. Stretching should feel good, not painful. Move slowly and gently, and listen to your body. A soft, kind stretch is the best stretch. Let me share an important tip. Breathe while you stretch. Do not hold your breath. As you stretch, breathe in slowly and deeply. Then breathe out slowly. The deep breathing brings fresh air into your body and helps you relax. Stretching and breathing together is very powerful. It wakes up your body and calms your mind at the same time. So always remember, slow stretch, slow breath. This makes your morning stretch even better. Let me give you a simple way to make this a habit. Stretch right after you wake up, before anything else. Do not check your phone first. When your feet touch the floor, just stand up and stretch for 2 or 3 minutes. You can also stretch your arms while you are still in bed. Keep it small and easy at first. Just a few stretches every morning. Soon, your body will want it, and it will become a natural, happy part of your day. Now, let me show you my favorite secret. You can stretch and learn English at the same time. Stretching, it's quiet and gentle, and your ears are free. So put on your headphones in the morning and listen to an English podcast, like this one, while you stretch. Your body wakes up and your mind learns English all at once. You start your day fresh, healthy, and a little smarter. It is a beautiful way to care for your body and your English together in the calm of the morning. We have learned so many healthy things about morning stretching today. We learned why our body feels stiff in the morning and how stretching gently wakes it up. We learned that stretching helps our muscles, our blood flow, and our whole body feel good. We learned that it wakes up the mind and brings calm at the same time. We learned that stretching is free and easy for anyone. We learned a few simple stretches, like reaching up, the neck stretch, and the forward fold. We learned to breathe slowly while we stretch, and to make it a morning habit. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will learn about a simple but powerful habit, eating slowly, and how it helps your body, your health, and your joy at every meal, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep stretching, keep shining, and keep speaking English.